2020 has taught us that things don't always go to plan. It has also taught us the importance of being adaptable, resilient, and persistent problem solvers who look out for each other. At Makers Empire, we believe that every child can make their world better. And we want to help every child become a creator, innovator, and problem solver. Design thinking is a great way to help children identify, define, and solve problems. It is a non-linear and iterative process that reframes problems as opportunities. Design thinking originated at Stanford University and has been used to drive innovation in business, technology, medicine, government, and NGOs. Design thinking underpins modern design and technology curricula, including the next generation science standards, Australian curriculum, the national curriculum for the UK, and the International Baccalaureate. Implementing design and tech curricula is a new challenge for many elementary teachers. For many teachers, design thinking is a relatively new concept, and teaching it to young students is newer still. Many teachers don't have the time to become confident with new technology, let alone how to teach it and how to assess students' work using it. Plus, it is difficult to find a solution that is suitable for all primary and elementary school students. Makers Empire provides a practical and evidence-based solution to help schools implement design thinking, cover design and tech curriculum, and help students become innovative and creative problem solvers. Let's take a closer look at the Makers Empire 3D design app. Makers Empire 3D is the world's most fun and easy to use 3D design app. It's used in over 40 countries. Students create 100,000 different designs with it every day. Makers Empire has been built for 5 to 12-year-old children so they can create, learn, collaborate, and share in the fun in a safe environment. New users are directed to the training lab, where they learn the basics of 3D design and create their avatar via the basic, pro, and video tutorials. Once they complete the training lab, the rest of the Maker's world opens up. Students can create anything they can imagine using the Create tools. Users are rewarded for their effort, skills, and positive interactions with the unlocking of new levels and features. In the Challenge Central, students complete age-appropriate design challenges aligned to international design and technology curricula. In the Gallery, students can display their designs, be inspired by others, leave feedback, and share ideas. Let's take a closer look at the Makers Empire Teachers Dashboard. The Makers Empire Teachers Dashboard makes it easy for time-poor teachers to plan, teach, and assess student work against international standards. Complete the Getting Started Guide to get ready to teach your first class. Complete 2 hours of professional development. Browse 150+ curriculum-aligned lesson plans. And watch 3D printing video guides. Makers Empire can be used both in the classroom and with students learning at home. Teachers can set students' work remotely in the teacher dashboard and have it appear in the students' devices as a notification. Makers Empire's built-in assessment tools and additional rubrics make assessing students' design work simple. We've also created resources and tools to make remote learning a little easier on teachers, students, and families. For groups of 10+ schools, we offer our customizable Learning by Design course, which provides 20 hours of endorsed professional development. We have also delivered Learning by Design to over 250 schools in Australia. So how do we know that Makers Empire delivers improving learning outcomes for students? Makers Empire Learning by Design was the focus of a 12-month Macquarie University research study, which showed compelling learning benefits for both students and teachers. Researchers observed high levels of creativity in 71% of lessons, high levels of design thinking in 64% of the lessons, and high levels of problem solving in 58% of lessons. Makers Empire is a common sense top pick for a learning winner and a New Schools Ignite Science Challenge winner. Makers Empire has been certified by Education Alliance Finland for pedagogical quality and is the recipient of a Lean Lab Educational Fellowship. So what do teachers and students think of Maker's Empire? Start your Maker's Empire journey today. Download the app or sign up for a free school trial and see how Maker's Empire can transform learning.